In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online. If you want accurate reports, clear budgets, and smoother tax time, proper categorization is essential. Today we'll walk through entering a single expense and assigning the right category so your books tell the right story and your profit and loss reflects reality. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking the plus Create button. That opens your transaction options. Because we're recording money you paid right away, go to the Supplier section and choose Expense. Use this form for purchases made with cash, a debit card, a credit card, or an electronic transfer where there's no bill to pay later. It's the quickest way to capture spending as it happens. Now fill in the expense details. In the Payee field, type the supplier's name. Keep your naming consistent so you can filter reports and see spending by vendor without duplicates. Next, choose the payment account. Pick the account the money actually came from, such as a cash on hand account or your bank. If you used a company credit card, select that specific card account. Getting this right ensures the correct register updates and your bank reconciliation stays clean. Set the payment date to when the funds left your account. Accurate dates keep your profit and loss aligned with the correct month and make cash flow trends easier to understand. If you're catching up on older receipts, be sure the date matches the receipt and your bank statement. Scroll to Category Details. In the Category column, select the expense account that best describes the purchase, like office expenses, utilities, or commissions and fees. Match your choice to how you want this spending to appear on reports. A good rule of thumb is to think about how you'd explain the expense to someone reviewing your books. If you're unsure, choose the closest reasonable fit and stay consistent, or check with your accounting professional so you don't misclassify something that should be tracked differently, like a fixed asset. In description, add a short note about what you bought or why, such as printer paper for front office, or a project reference. This field is optional, but clear notes make month-end review and audits faster. Enter the amount you paid. Use the total that actually left your account. Double-check the decimal and currency, and make sure it ties to your receipt. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the expense, updates the chosen account, and applies your category so it appears correctly on your reports. You've successfully categorized your expense in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.